Fun house. We are doing Platanos. Platanos Fritos. This is not sweet and this is sweet. This is not sweet. And this is mixed. Look, I made a heart, kind of. Oh, and to remind you, we are in Massachusetts with our grandparents. Our grandpa and grandpa. We have platanos. Those are not sweet. Those are not sweet. We saw these when we were in Cola. Look at our dogs. We have 3 dogs. Two of them are for our grandparents, and one is the Gooster. Yeah. I hear the dogs coming. Step number 1 is to peel. And at first it's my turn and my own peel. I would have made a peel.
What's your favorite food?
Platano. Wait, here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Wow.
An adult has to cut just a little bit in where one of the ridges is. I'm gonna let Willow peel that one, and Manny, you can peel this one.
Okay. It looks like a banana, but it's a platano. It looks like a banana, but it's a platano. It looks like a banana. Come on, higher. It looks like a banana. It's a platano. It looks like a banana, but it's like a platano. Whoa, Monique. That's a funny word. Monique. I love about Massachusetts. I used to be a baby when I was being in the Dominican Republic. When I was being 9. He was never 9. I was 9. I'm 7. I was 3. Can you cut these off? Sometimes when I can't feel them, Mommy cuts them. Yeah. Peel stuff. What he's trying to say is I want my own channel and my parents aren't giving it to me. So I am having a hard time with my life. The next step is we fry them. No, we cut them.
Push, push, push. Yeah. Oh, yes. Now we gotta be careful.
I said, you're not getting my YouTube channel, Mommy.
See.
We're gonna fry it in the stove. We're gonna put the oil in here. How many? How much?
Deep enough to go to the top of the plantains, or not quite to the top.
We're gonna put this on the stove, and then we're gonna wait, and then we're gonna put the platanos in here. Yes. Owen, I'm 7. And Owen, I'm 3.
What are we gonna put in the hot oil?
Platanos. Start looking golden brown, then you flip them into the air. No, you don't.
How do you flip them?
And you can't flip them. The sweet plantains we only cook once, and we don't mash them. We put the platanos in here, we squish them, and then it comes out as a flat platano. Poppy, huh? You're my friend. And my friend too. Yeah. This is super.
That's it.
No, it was platano, and it came out good. That platano was good. Platanos, about Poppy and Willow. Say hi. 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 Woo! How we eat it? We can't eat it. Can we eat it?
You can eat it.
No, you can try it. We buy them again. No, we don't.
You eat them, Manny?
Yeah, you eat them.
You eat them.
Yeah. But not yet. So are you going to do those? I'm salting them. Do you know how to say salt in Spanish?
How?
Sal. 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 Hello. This is the food we made.
Which one is the sweet one?
That one. And the green one.